Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to make a smoky natural eye look with a little bit of a shimmer in it. So let's get started. Today I'm starting off with the Tilbury Rumor One eye base, and I always take a little dot on my brush and divide that. That is done. Then I'm taking the number 1 color of Love Eyes of the Smoky Eyes Are Forever palette, and I am dabbing that on in the first quarter of my eyelid, because it's not a total smoky eye, maybe a half smoky eye. Is that something new? I don't know. The pigment of this palette is unreal. I find myself picking up this palette a lot the last couple of days. We're going to the Confident Eyes, and we're taking the second color of that palette. It's that deep chocolate brown, and I am just stamping that all that pigment in the outer corner, just like this. So when you're happy with placement, I am going to scratch that edge and blend that out, so we don't have a lot of product at once. I'm just working with the product that I just applied on my eye. Add some shadow back on the lid, because we like that part nice and dark. Whatever is left on your brush, just blend it in with that first color. I'm taking a little smudger brush and I'm going in with the black of this palette, and I am just putting that here on that edge and the outer corner. And be careful with black, just take a little bit, because otherwise it's going to be very difficult to blend out. And I am taking it a little bit underneath lower lash line. Later, when I'm going to add the concealer, I'm doing more at the lower lash line. So blend this a little bit in that brown, so it's not that harsh. So for the last step, for the upper eyelids, I'm going in with the third color of Love Eyes, and I am going to put that in the inner corner. The most concentration is there, and then I am just patting, not dragging, but patting it on top of that brown, just to make it a little bit more seamless. I think I have already that holiday spirit going on here. I'm going to do my foundation off camera and I'll be right back. This is it for the whole face look. The only thing that I added is the smokiness underneath my eye. The eyeliner, just a kohl pencil on the upper and lower lash line to darken it up a little bit more, to let those eyes speak more and to pop out of your head. And a mascara. And for the rest, I did my face makeup. And yeah, what you can do is maybe try a liquid eyeliner as well with this look. That would be stunning as well. And a fake lash. For today, I don't find it necessary because I'm in love with this look like it is already. It gives me a little bit of Christmas or New Year's Eve vibes. So maybe I am already in that holiday spirit. This is maybe a little sneak peek of what is coming for the holidays. This was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because you won't miss any of my other videos who are coming in the future. So I hope to see you next time. Bye!